Turbo Timber Evolution UMX style. Take off flaps. And she's up. In a hurry, she's up.
AS3X mode.
Really windy for a UMX, but she's taking it. Probably 10, 15 mile an hour winds. Zero throttle. Give her some. And up and away. Fun little plane. Newest UMX that E-Flite has out on the market. Does have flaps, which is a nice touch. I don't think it flies well with landing flaps, but takeoff flaps it works pretty well. And we're just having a nice flight, trying to show that this thing can be flown in the wind. And bring her back down. That wind really brought her down. Up. Trying to keep her low. Nice and slow. Look at how slow. %, rudder right there. Nothing else. And we're just flying around, doing figure eights. Nothing too crazy today. I will do one thing crazy. Such a quiet plane, guys. I'm in mid rates right now. And I'm going to take her in for a landing. Zero throttle. Ah! There it is.
Safety switch on. Flaps up. AS3X mode.
Just a little fun. Wind's actually dying down a little. Right overhead. See how quiet she is? Just a fun little plane. I'm lucky to have this field behind my house. I can fly smaller airplanes.
ESP 10.7 volts.
I'm gonna have to take her in now. Yeah, we're running out of battery. We're gonna do zero flaps. We're just gonna land without flaps.